If you want to learn a little more about a company or organization, you can follow them on LinkedIn. This is a lot like following someone on Twitter or Instagram. Whenever that company posts something to their LinkedIn page, it will appear in your homepage. This is also potentially a way to meet people who work at the company, including recruiters who might be posting jobs. You can use the search box to search for companies on LinkedIn. If you see a company that you're interested in, select Follow. You'll then receive updates from that company on your homepage. You'll also be able to see other information about the company, what LinkedIn members work there, and how you might be connected. Now, there's no guarantee that following a company will actually help if you decide to apply for a job there, but it is an easy way to learn more about the company and to get a feel for their culture.